Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, if mod A vector plus B vector is equal to mod A vector minus B vector, then... So now, first let us calculate mod of A vector B vector whole squared. So this is equal to mod A vector plus mod B vector into mod A vector plus B vector, that is mod A vector squared plus mod B vector squared plus 2A vector dot B vector. And if we calculate the square of this, similarly we'll get this to be now for these two to be equal, we get this to be equal to 0. So we get A vector dot B vector to be equal to 0. So A is perpendicular to B. Option B is the correct answer. The next question is, fx is equal to sine 1 by x, where x not equal to 0. Then fx can be continuous at x equal to 0. For the following options, you need to select the correct one. Now, limit x tends to 0, sine 1 by x, this does not exist. So option D is the correct answer. So it would be continuous for no value of f0. The next question is, let f and g be two continuous functions. Then integration from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, fx plus f of minus x whole into gx minus g of minus x dx is equal to... So now, this thing over here is an odd function. So, if the limits are minus a to a and we have an odd function which we are integrating, this gives us 0. So option D is the correct answer. The next question is, the number of points at which the function fx is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x plus 1 plus tan x does not have a derivative in minus 2 comma 2 is... So let us draw a graph and plot mod x minus 1. This is the graph of mod x minus 1. So now we can see that the derivative won't exist here, that is at 1 comma 0. So we get 1 point, that is 1 comma 0. Now drawing the graph of mod x plus 1, this is mod x plus 1 and this point is minus 1 comma 0. Again the derivative won't exist here at minus 1 comma 0. So we have got 2 points. And for tan x, now we know that for the value pi by 2, tan x tends to infinity. Tan pi by 2 is equal to infinity and tan minus pi by 2 is equal to minus infinity. So we get 2 more points where the derivative won't exist. So there are a total of 4 points. So option A is the correct answer.